Well, here's my Liberty. Showing it off to the world. Look at you sunbathing. You silly goose. Yeah, there's my ducks. You silly goose. You silly goose. Yeah, you're the turkey. Here's my buddy. Sleeping. Well, what we're doing today is we're putting a runner on that chicken coop. And this is the runner. And I sold my ducks, my mandarins. So this is going to get moved. And a lot of grass has grown over. I'm trying to get that off of there, making it heavy. The cage is very light. And I have extra fencing down that hooks on the cage and then goes down. And then I put rocks along there, so I had to move all the rocks out with the wheelbarrow. Yeah, my Liberty. Her's always helping. Yeah, her the good girl, always helping me. Hard to tire because her worked a night shift last night. Her's so tired. The Liberty's so tired. Her so tired. Her so tired her can't even come for a pet. Aw, my Liberty wants a pet. Aw. Her get a belly rub. Come on, Liberty, give me belly. Ooh, the belly, the belly, the belly. I rub the belly. Yeah, we're so tired. We don't even want a belly rub. Yeah. Yiko, yiko, yiko. Aw. Sometimes she sleeps in her doghouse, but it's time to move it to the shade. Today's gonna be warm, so I might do that. There's my ducks. Got their umbrella out. My sister gave me. They're not doing much. And my chickens, they went across the street in the woods to dig for bugs. I don't know why. There's food and water out here. They're always looking for bugs. Dear my Liberty's so tired. Oh, so tired, baby. Oh, we're so tired. Oh, I can't move. We're so tired. I didn't even want her belly tickled today. Oh, the poor Liberty. It's alright, Liberty. Yeah, there her is. Good morning. There her is. Yeah, we're the pretty girl. Yeah, that's my girl. My girl. Yeah, my girl. Alright, everyone, have a good day.